This is the real difference between men and women that they do not want you to know.
Please, God. I'm just so thirsty.
Wait, not done.
We don't make fire today. We can do it tomorrow.
21 little fishies for the dishes.
Legends have said, by the time the girls figured out how to boil water, the men have already flown a rocket ship into outer space.
Listen, we're both good at our own things. Women are more compassionate, they have more empathy, they're better at connecting. But the reality is that men will always be better at survival. We're built for it. We like it. It's fun. We're not the same.